Hi friends, Marley here and welcome back to Gardening in Kentucky YouTube channel. I'm back in my garden right now to check on my plants, and then I realized that there are some onions that are ready for harvest, so we're gonna be harvesting in this video. This is actually easy to pull, not bad for this one. Let's go this way. There's actually one good size onion that I already pulled, and this one here is ready. Whenever the onion has fallen over, they're not gonna stay good in the ground, so I usually just pull them right away. It was so hot today and the ground is super duper dry. I don't even have my gloves with me. I didn't really mean to harvest them now. Here we go, guys. We're trying to pull this onion. I had to grab my gloves. Oh, not bad. Look at that. The stem has started to rot, so we can't really leave this in the ground for long. Now, some of them, I think they're ready. So let's try this one. I'm trying to get this next onion without disturbing the tomato much. Okay, not bad for this guy as well. This little tomato is doing great. Maybe I'm gonna try the one behind it so I can clear the area with the tomato. Oops. Well, actually that one was a little bit smaller, but actually I should have left this in here because it already has flowers. Now I'm here somewhere in the middle of the raised bed trying to pull another onion that has fallen over. Not bad. Okay, let's see what else we can get from here. Okay, probably that one because it looks like it has turned yellow already. Let me see. Oops. Ooh. Okay, this is not very big, but it has gotten very hot already, and I don't think these onions will still grow. Let's get that next. Not even sure if I can reach it. It's a little bit far away from this side of the raised bed, but we'll try. Okay, so this one here, I think I got it. Yeah. The temperature today, the highest was 99 degrees. Feels like 107. It was really hot. Okay, let's move over to the other side because I saw some that have fallen over. Yes. So the next one I think is another red onion. Okay, let's get that, and then the next one to it also has fallen over. So yep, it's ready for harvest. This one is ready. Wow, this is actually a good size red onion. Now this looks small, but the plant is dying, so harvesting that. I'm probably harvesting the small one too. Yeah, it's so tiny, look at that. But anyway, I can still use that for cooking. Okay, we get a few in here. Let's see. We'll probably get these two. Because I believe tomorrow it's gonna be very hot again. Triple digits. Okay, wow. Oh, this is great. Let's continue. I have decided to pull all of the red onions. I didn't even know that I planted two in this spot. You're not supposed to do that. See, they can't grow big because they're together in one spot. This one's next. That was easy to pull. Okay, this one's probably small. Oh, it didn't form a head. Anyway, it's okay. Okay. And then this one has turned yellow, so let's get this. Okay, wow, I like that. What do you think about this one? Let's get this as well. Let's see, this, it looks like it's not that big, so I'll probably skip this. So probably let it grow for a couple more days, and then I'm gonna get the one behind it. Oh, maybe this. Oh yeah, this one's ready for sure. Here. And also, one of the reasons why I started on this end of the raised bed is because there are a bunch of tomatoes on this end, and these are good tomatoes. These are the big ones. I just can't remember the name of it. I'm gonna look it up later, but this is a good tomato, and I don't have this in my tomato rows this year. These are our onion harvest for today, guys. About 26 onions that we got, all red onions. We still have a lot in the raised bed that are not yet ready, but these are actually some good sized onions. Look at that. This one too. And then I removed some onions that are not that big, the ones in here, because they were very close to the tomato plant that I was trying to save. But other than that, I think this is a good onion harvest for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you'll never miss a video. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening.